Hello, this is a tutorial on how to record your screen using OBS Studio. Now in terms of what you would really need, all you really need is a computer and OBS Studio itself. So that's what we're going to do now. First, just open up whatever browser you usually use and go to obsproject.com and you'll be taken to OBS Studio's website. Here you'd pick the operating system that you use. In this case I'm using Windows 7, so I picked Windows, and it would take me to a download. Now after you've downloaded the file, you just open it and install it. After installing and opening the program, you'll be presented with the OBS window. Now there's a lot of things you do in OBS, but for just recording your screen, it's not all that complicated. It's actually pretty simple. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have a scene. You need to have at least one scene. I already have a scene here, but if not, you could add one pressing the little plus button. After you have at least one scene, you then need to add a source or a video source, and you do this by also pressing the plus button. Now there's a bunch of different types of video sources, but the main ones that you would probably be using are display capture, which captures everything on your desktop like right now, and window capture, which captures one specific window in case you don't want to capture everything at the same time. Since in this example we're going to be recording all the desktop, we're going to pick display capture. And we create new, press OK, and here would be a preview of how it would look, and it looks about right. That is currently what's happening on screen. And you'll pick OK. So now you have a preview of what you are displaying. Once you have a scene and source selected, you can start recording by simply pressing the start recording button. However, there are some important settings that you should know of before you do so. So in the settings menu here, first, if you want to have audio of some sort, such as desktop audio or microphone audio, you would need to make sure one of these desktop audios is set to default, as well as one of the microphone selections is set to your microphone of choice. You can check to see if these audio inputs are working by checking the audio mixer down here. As you can see, my mic is being read, and if I were to put a little sound, the desktop audio is also read as well. Another thing you should keep in mind is in the video tab in settings, you have base canvas resolution and output scaled resolution. Base canvas resolution is basically what OBS is capturing, the size it is capturing, so you want that to be equal to your desktop resolution if you are recording your desktop, otherwise some of the video would be cropped. And output scaled resolution is the quality or size of the output video that OBS is making. So these are two things you should keep in mind. And finally, we have the actual output tab. In the actual output tab, we have the recording path, which leads to the directory where the videos are saved. You can also change the quality of the videos, the video format and file type, and a bunch of other options in case you want to optimize your video or change the file size and whatnot. So those are all the basic settings that you should know. Now, provided everything was set up properly, all you really need to do now is click start recording, and you should be able to now record your desktop. So right now OBS is now recording my desktop. Here's an application within my desktop. I'm going to draw a little line in Paint, and once you're done recording what you want to record on your desktop, you would just click stop recording. At this point, a video would be saved to the directory stated in output, and here it is, and we can watch the video right now. You should be able to now record your desktop. So right now OBS is now recording my desktop. Here's an application. As you can see, the video has been recorded. So that's all you really need to do to record your desktop using OBS. It's not really that complicated, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.